This video is about what to remember when you want to ride a motorcycle. Do not forget to bring your badge and license. You need to check it before you go. Plug the key. If the key using a long knob accessories, link it on your motorcycle handlebar so that the straps do not interfere. Do not ever forget to wear your helmet for your safety. Check your motorcycle tires. Make sure there are no flat tires because it will be very influential with your safety. Turn on your motorcycle. Turn on your motorcycle light. Also check the left and right sign lights. Make sure if it still works or not. You ready to go? Don't forget to pay attention to the speed limit and traffic signs. After arriving at your destination, park your motorcycle in the place.